Hello, Ricky. When I sing, I'm going to teach you how to crack the sacroiliac joint. You might be asking, well, why do I want to crack the sacroiliac joint? Well, the sacroiliac joint connects the pelvis and the sacrum. Somewhere in here, there's a nerve that's pinched out of whack, causing leg and lower back pain. And when you crack it, that leg pain and that lower back pain will be relieved at the same time. So let me show you how it's done. Your two butt cheeks, that's where the sacroiliac joint is located, right here. When you put weight on one of the butt cheeks, like right here, you have a tendency to crack your sacroiliac joint. So you put weight on it. So when you put weight on it, there's a traction on the yoga mat and the butt cheek. Make that traction, cause friction. Then with your hip, you move it over. So stick this to the yoga mat and shift it. Once you shift it, you push the butt cheek up with your legs, and then you have a crack. It sounds complicated, so let me show you how it's done, alright? So you lay on the yoga mat. So you have the two butt cheeks right here, right? So lay down, put weight on this butt cheek, and then shift with your hip. Make this stick. And then, with your foot, you want to push this way, and then you hear a crack. Same for the other side. Put weight on this butt cheek, shift it, and then push up this side. Alright, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.